Let's talk about electrician pay in Bolivia. The average salary of an electrician in Bolivia is 3,800 US dollars a year. After tax, this electrician income drops to $3,300, which leaves you with roughly $275 each month in take-home pay. You'll usually find higher average electrician pay in big economic hubs, so an electrician working in Santa Cruz de la Sierra brings home $3,900 after tax. Pay outside the main city is lower, but cheaper living costs make up for the difference. New workers start below the average electrician salary in Bolivia, though their earnings go up quickly during the first few years, before leveling off unless they take on supervisory duties. Having a formal degree isn't always required, but higher qualifications help you land better roles, which is why educated workers often advance into project manager or site supervisor roles. On top of that, small local shops pay less than large national firms, while international companies offer the highest electrician wages.